Hi guys, welcome to new video. So in this video we are going to learn JavaScript from beginner to advanced. So let's see first of all what is JavaScript. So JavaScript is basically a programming language. So it is simply works on web pages. So we search in Google. So like go to what is JavaScript. You can see here. So JavaScript is a high level programming language. So one of the core technologies of www.com alongside HTML and CSS, and it is one of the programming language for the web. So it is used to build websites, and you can update and change both HTML and CSS using JavaScript. And JavaScript can calculate, manipulate, and validate data. So here are the three ways to learn to run JavaScript. So the first way is to run inside the browser. I open a new tab and go to google.com and right click on inspect. So first of all, you need to need a browser for this. So I am using Zoho's Ula browser. So you can also download for Windows. So you can simply search Ula browser. The first link you can see it is one of the secure browser. So it blocks basically many ads and protect from other websites. So malicious file, and it is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac also. So I opened google.com and go to console tab. uh, Like from the first, I will say go to any website, not only google.com. You can go this website also and click here, right click and click on inspect and click on console tab. So if I refresh it, the messages are gone. Like you can just clear the console also, and you can see here I can type anything, um, like I will type and function alert in double quotes. I write hello and press enter. The browser says www.google.com says hello. A message. A message is pops out. This is the basic function of JavaScript. We can interact with the website in a very fast manner. It is basically used with HTML and CSS. Uh, it's uh, basically simply design the structure and design of a simple website, and to function to give any function to this website. After clicking this button, it is going to sign in, like so on. More functionalities are applied to this website web page basically, and you can calculate values and so many data. And another way is to execute your JavaScript code is in runtime Node.js. here we are not going to discuss. And the third way is to run your JavaScript code is basically uh, in a script tag. So before that we need a code editor. So I click on new tab here and download a code editor. I personally use VS Code. It is the best editor for all the website. For all the programming. Like I search for um, VS Code download. Just VS Code and go to first link. You can see here and click on download for Windows. So it is downloading here. You can see. So after downloading, I will come again. Guys, you can see here the VS Code editor is download. So I will click on this file, this a .exe file. So if you on Ubuntu, download it for Ubuntu, or if you are in Mac OS, you can also download. So I accept the agreement. Before that I read. So next, click on next and click on next and click on all the check boxes to install the software. For learning JavaScript, you need basically two softwares. One is the browser and another one is a code editor. So this two software is necessary for learning JavaScript. It's enough, I think so. So it is installing while. So in next way, I will create a new folder in desktop. So JS day 1. So I will click finish here. Guys, you can open this editor, code editor. So you can cancel the welcome page. And for this, in this folder, I will go inside and press shift right click. It will show an option open with code. So if I click that, it will open the this folder in VS Code. So it asks for permissions. I click the checkbox and press the author and maximize the screen. And before that, I need to mention here, I am not going to use any AI extension or any AI plugin to autocomplete my code or any other stuff. So to clearly visible, I maximize the layout. So by pressing Control plus in my keyboard, so I press just Control plus. You can see it is too large. So I keep up to this and create a new file like index.html. So why should we create index.html file? Like I first of all disable this editor. So I go to extension. So it is not showing for me, I think so, as if I have not installed any. Here you can see no extension or installed. So we move into the video like by writing a basic boilerplate of HTML. So pressing the exclamation mark, so and pressing the tab key. So this is the basic boilerplate of HTML. So you need to uh, learn the basics of HTML and CSS. If you want, comment in below video. I can also put a one-shot tutorial for HTML and CSS. So I press simply tab key in my keyboard. So to go inside the body tab. So like I write a script tag. So here and see for write like you know a script like console.log and say hello and save this file and before that I will go here and open. You can see here an index.html file is created and open with your browser. Right click and open with your browser. So always click on always. This is a blank document. So you can again right click inspect. In order to do that, you can simply press F12 in your keyboard. You can see here the console appears. So you can see in the console here hello is printed. You can also write go to the code editor and at the start of the line I will print the message hi and semicolon is not needed. In order to save I will put the semicolon and you need to save the file. You can see here a dot like structure. It mentions that the file is not saved. I press in my keyboard control yes. So the shortcut key for the keyboard in the keyboard to save the files control yes. You can also enable in file and like click on auto save. So while editing our code you can see the changes. So I need not to manually like I need not to manually like save the file control yes. So it saves auto file. So like it automatically saves the file in the browser. So if I go to my Chrome and reload the button, you can see this page says hi. So you can see here, I click on OK and the two messages are also printed in the console like hello and autosave. So this is all about the introduction of JavaScript. So JavaScript is basically a programming language. You can run in your browser using Node.js or inside the code editor. So this is the simple function of JavaScript. So it is basically we have all the basics program concepts. So like you can see, it is used for create interactive web pages and build web and mobile applications. So developer use JavaScript. So it is also used for server side development and also game development and other users of JavaScript are in artificial intelligence and machine learning libraries like TensorFlow and much so on. So one thing I need to mention here, JavaScript and Java is not same. So JavaScript is and the Java programming language are two completely different languages, both in concept and design. So you need to understand this. So JavaScript runs in the web browser's client side. You can see. For me here, I go to this tab and right click, inspect, and see here the JavaScript is run here. So if I go to more tabs and application, like I see, sorry, network tab, and if I refresh, so you can see the JavaScript is served in the backend. So when we get, so you can see this embed.js and many files are served, the like images, SVG, whatever the website is required, it serves simply the JavaScript. We can also see in the element tab. So this is the simple overview of JavaScript. So that's all about this video. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.